Oh, hey! Welcome back! Not sleeping again? Okay, let's try this session where we're going to use science and the sound of my voice to help you fall asleep, and then stay there. We're going to transport you with imagery and use brown noise in the background. We're also going to keep this session running for a full 5 minutes of sound afterwards, quietly fading out to help you stay asleep. Recently, even the most prestigious of research institutions have studied the effects of frequencies on our ability to fall asleep and stay there. We've discovered all sorts of potential uses for sine waves, pink noise, white noise, and the brown noise we'll use now. Because brown noise is very reminiscent to the sounds you'd equate to as waterfalls, heavy rain, and the movement of wind through trees in a forest, we'll use that in our soundtrack to help reinforce the imagery of the forest. So, make sure all distractions you can get rid of are gone. If you have lights on, gadgets, radio, or TV, make sure all of them are turned off. Now, get snug into bed. Focus on my voice. Close your eyes and take a deep breath through your nose. And then, release through your mouth. Take another deep breath, and this time, hold it for the count of 3 before releasing. Nice! Now, continue breathing on your own pace, and while you do that, imagine one moment from your past where you stepped through grass and walked through trees. It can be any moment in your past, and any amount of grass and trees, small or large. You look down as you walk, and you see your favorite shoes you wear when you're walking outside. You take a deep breath in, and you can smell the summer all around you. You feel warm, relaxed. You think of that last time you were outside playing, and you had such a great time. Imagine that moment. Imagine it even better than it really was. You swing harder for the fences. You laughed harder with your friends. See your footsteps on the path through the brush and trees. The sunlight is streaming through the forest like a gigantic glitter ball, throwing beams in every direction through the canopy of green that you find yourself in. You smile and stop and see a hummingbird take a drink from a drop of dew on a rose petal. You stop and watch until the little creature drinks its fill and moves on. You walk on through the serenity of the forest. Life buzzes all around you, and the forest itself is welcoming you to continue walking further until you find a clearing that's large enough to sit. There's a nice grassy spot to sit down. You turn your face up towards the sun, and feeling its warmth embrace you, you lay down. You can hear the buzzing of the forest around you. Birds joining a chorus of insects and sounds, all swimming around you. You are relaxed. Your eyes are closed. The sounds are around you, and the warmth is all over you. You listen to the forest backdrop as you think about your walk through the grass, the hummingbird you stop to watch drink that drop of dew, and you wonder to yourself just how much water that small being can possibly drink. Breathing in and out in a steady rhythm, comfortable and tingly all over. You can hear a bird calling out in the distance. Maybe it's asking for company, or just proudly staking its claim in territory. Either way, the bird sounds happy, and that fills you with warmth. Breathe in. Let that warmth ebb you away. And breathe out. Relaxed. Happy. Peaceful.